Hi friends! So for this assignment, you're going to go to drive.google.com, your Google Drive. If you don't have this as a bookmark already, you can click the star right up here in your address bar and you can add it to your bookmark so you can easily find it in the future. Next, you're going to press New, Folder. You're going to title it Your Name. Katie Leonard is my name. Your country. My country is Spain. And then Proyecto. Project in Spanish. Then click Create. Go ahead and click into that folder. We're going to now make 2 docs and 1 subfolder. We're going to do that by clicking on New, Google Doc. Alright, we're going to title this one Script. This is where you are going to be writing out your script for your documentary. We can close this for now, we don't need it yet. Our next Google Doc that we're going to create by clicking on New, Google Doc, it's going to be called Sources. And this is where you're going to be including all the sources of research that you're going to do for this project. So that when it comes time to cite your sources, you're going to have them all in one central location. We can close this document as well. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is click New, Folder. We're going to title this one Pictures and Videos. Create. Alright, so now we have pictures and videos, we have script, we have sources, and we're ready to submit this on Canvas. Alright, so in order to do that, we're going to right click on where it says Your Name, Your Country, Proyecto. You're going to click Get Shareable Link. Alright, right now it's going to say restricted. Only people added can open with this link. We're going to change that. Instead of restricted, we want it to say Washington Leadership Academy. Alright, then we're going to click Copy Link. The link is copied. I'm going to hop over to Canvas. I'm going to go into Student View real quick. Alright, and I'm going to go into the correct course. Alright, and we are in Proyecto Pais. Here we have all of these instructions. And we are going to click Submit Assignment. Down here where it says website URL, we're going to paste the link that we copied. So the link should start out with drive.google.com and then it should be that link that we copied. Then we're going to submit assignment. Alright, that's it.